Whether you think you can or you can't, either way you're right. A famous quote by Henry Ford. Now, many a times we tend to downplay the importance of mental strength, of our beliefs in accomplishing our plans and our goals. And if you look at some of the most popular athletes, those who made it, people that we call the greats, quote and unquote, you see that there's a strong connecting pattern, a link between them. Aside their natural giftings and the natural inclinations towards why they accomplished their goals and the reason why they had a natural advantage in the things that they succeeded at. If you look at, you see that there's a strong linking pattern, which is their mental strength, their mental grit, their mental rigidity, even in the face of oppositions, that they can say that yes, it is hard to accomplish it, but once you believe that you can, you solve part of the problem. Once you believe you can't, you definitely can't. It's not really a guessing matter. It's just a matter of belief. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. I mean, there is a part of it whereby you are naturally advantaged in a particular field, whereby naturally, based on your genetical factors and everything, there's an inclination towards where you should actually succeed in. But even in that field, I can bet with you that if you don't think you can, you just can. There's a very large role that your mental strength plays in these things. I mean, even James Clear said in his book, when he spoke about identity, he says when you can fix your identity, you can fix your belief system. You believe that you're the kind of person that can accomplish this. It fixes the issue. I mean, it might not really be the total solution to the kind of problem or the challenge that you're facing in that instant, but to a very great extent, it solves a majority of the issue you're facing. It's just about your belief system, your grit. Whether you think you can or you can't, either way, you're right. You should always have a strong belief towards your goal. In fact, after you fix your goal, the next thing that should be your target. It should not be something they are striving to pursue at the also. But once you fix your target, fix your belief. Believe you can. Believe you can. Because there's a very strong relationship between your belief system and your attitudes and even the capacity and your ability to really accomplish your goals. Take it or leave it. There's a very large role your mental strength, your mindset, please, in helping you accomplish your dreams. Now, if you doubt this, just study the greats. Study the people that you look up to, the people that you've seen accomplish their goals and accomplish their dreams. You'll find the linking pattern there. It's just this grit, the mental rigidity, which we call doggedness. Yes, to stick with it no matter what. Because if not, you just face one simple challenge and you give up. I know a lot of people who they said they'll pick up a skill. They started learning the skill. One way or the other along the line, they gave up because probably they thought they could never. I mean, I've done things whereby I just know I can. I face a particular roadblock. It's difficult for like 3 days. I'm still on it. But I know I can. And so because I know I can, I keep on striving because I know eventually I'll figure it out. Because first of all, even much more than my natural ability towards that thing, I believe I can. That is the role your mindset plays in helping you accomplish your dreams. I'll be learning something. See you some other time.